come on. Oh, I found why I don't have bait. Let's see if I can find any. I found some bait. Wow. Let's see if it works. Just gotta find my hook here. Now, let's put this bait on here. If it'll go on. Alright, it's on. Now let's try going over here. And let's see what I get. I think I got something. Oh, well that sucks. I got a poop cone. Looks like balls. Juicy balls. Alright, let's throw this pine cone back. Well, that sucks. Stigma. Alright. Let's see here. Down we go. I think I got something. Hold on. Let's see. Well, that's, sucks. I got a whistle. Let's see what's from. Take it off, my sir. My camcorder, sir. It looks like it's from a Motorola. Let's see if it can blow in it. That's juicy. Alright, let's see if we can get anything more. I think I got something. Oh, wow. What a beauty. It's beautiful.
It's a fern.
Yeah, the weed hacker fern.
I didn't want worms.
Because it's very wormy. Likes worms, so it likes the worms. Alright, let's see if we can get anything else. Let's go even deeper this. Here we go. Wait, I think I actually got something. I think I actually got him. Oh my god. What the hell?
It looks like he got another fishing rod.
Wow. So stigma. I wonder who used it. It was very stigma.
Stroke my balls.
Worm on it. Hey yo.
It looks like a freaking Nerf dart.
Looks like a weenus. Well guys, let's see if I can fish a camera.
No! No! No!
Well guys, let's see if I can fish a rod. Well,
We fished the camera.
we might have dropped it, so let's see how this thing turns out. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's have another video of us really fishing. This was a